Right, here's a good job for us. I could put that back on there with chewing gum. I don't know how much you can see, so I'll turn you around so I can see you seeing me. Can you want to see me, see you? Right, we're going to make that. Who saw my last video? Some grey-haired old twazak. Couldn't see what it was for, obviously, because that's all you can see is that bit. I tightened that up. Snap. Times 2. So it's cast. So scrap the cast, scrap the caddy, and we're going to try and make it out of steel. Easy job. Easy. We got that, which is 10 mil, which is, give on. It's just a matter of cut, 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 cut. Weld, 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 weld. We'll see what we can do, innit? Cutting that down there. That's an easy job, innit, surely? Mr. Jason Andrews of the Andrews family channel said he could probably weld that, but it's the time and the effort for a working man, because he's, you know, he's flat out. I don't want to be nicking his time and effort on something I could do myself, which might not be so pretty, but it will be done. But it will be done. And the thing is, it's fucking disc cutting. I really don't like disc cutting no more, because fucking horrible stuff. Whoa, God. Good God, Joe, what did you do it for? Absolutely nothing. This hook's on the end of the Miller bed, and then the gearbox fits on here. Focus, you fanny. I took a big V off there because I want this weld to go in there and look really pretty. It's marvellous, just marvellous how hot these things get. Right, I'm going to put that in there. I've left it a bit long at the moment for a perfectly normal explanation. That's not it, but it was something like that. I can't, you know, this camera's fucking, that camera's got its own fucking life. Right there, my camera's gone fucking nuts as usual. Look at that. Vince, will you look at that? That's the easy bit. Well, it's all easy, isn't it, really? We're not. How was that at? I just did it cool? I don't know. But it's hot, I can smell it. I thought I went over there. Cool, eh?
I put a nice feed down there, so I can get a nice, really nice bit of weld up in there. You have got a bit of leeway because, you know, the last thing it boils down to is where these holes are. What, this don't really matter. Them holes got to be right. Otherwise you look a bit silly. You look a bit silly if it don't work, don't you? You can tell me 10, 20, 30 times. Rob, don't touch that. It's going to be hot. And my brain is so ignorant. It just says, fuck off, mind your own business. I just want to be normal like the rest of them, you know? All them normal guys out there doing videos. That's all I ever wanted. Glass is no good. Come on now. Oh, it's going too fucking good. A fucking butcher's cooker. Customer just snapped 2 of these out of the car transporter trailer, which we're gonna put right in. Come on, like that. Just goes in there like that. You know, see. There's still no change with Seb, for those of you who knows what I'm talking about. Right, it's time to wiggle them hips. Wiggle it without snapping it. Because if I snap it, I'll be in all sorts of fucking trouble. This one made in China. This one made in Wales. China, oh, he broke. China, oh, he broke. Hope this one lasts a bit longer. This one, 40-year-old. This one, 40-minute-old. Honey, I'm home.
Yes, Johnny.
It's all about tucking, isn't it, really? Who gets a tuck? Tucking this, tucking that. Right, I sprayed it. I sprayed it green, you know, like the Polish. We got 2 nuts to go there, 2 nuts to go there. There you go. I think to myself, should I show them or not? Do they really want to see this? You know, some people say yeah. Well, I was really interested in that, Rob, until you started swearing yelling out. I'm going to keep going till it bites, and then I'll drop this, I'll lower these 2 down. So the moral of the story is, if it's cast or alley, don't over tighten it, you crazy git. Still got to come this way. Anyway, that's it. Cheers. Thank you very much.